Hi, my name is Demetri DeRose, and today I'm going to talk about why I built Amplifi on the Gemini 3 Flash uh, AI platform. Um, I originally wanted to build Amplify because I was building a financial education service site, and I wanted to. I started thinking about how I was going to promote the site on social media, and started digging into it, and I realized there's not a good way to generate social media content. Um, so I decided that using Gemini 3 text and interwoven API would be the best way to do that because it will be able to create the captions, the hooks, and the images all at once for me. Um, So here's a quick look at the architecture diagram. Um, Pretty much the way it goes is first thing a company goes and uh, say what brand they are. So they put their company information. We'll go ahead analyze the visuals of the company, so we know that. We'll learn about the tone on how we should have the posts, what platforms to deploy to, and any other specific um, things to differentiate the business from other brands. Next up is the strategy agent. Here, this is where we go and take information about the brand and we ask the owner, hey, what do you want to go and create in social media for the next 7 days? They'll tell us what they want to describe and we'll generate the 7 day calendar. Next, when they're ready to generate content, we'll go. It'll go to the content creator, and this is where we leverage the interleaved text and image. So to make carousel, single images, hashtags, and other aspects. If if we need to create a video, we'll go to the video creator instead. Um, and for video first platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, etc. And finally, after the content is generated, go ahead to the review agents and it scores it scores based on the hook, CTAs, platform fit, the actual type. Like for example, different score for an Instagram reel versus an Instagram carousel versus a single Instagram photo post. So it goes ahead and scores that and tells the user like, hey, where to improve and stuff. And then separately, we also have here the voice coach. This is to help users who are looking to get maybe inspiration or think about what to do for the week. They could talk to the brand strategist, and then once their calendar is generated, the brand strategist will actually help them understand how to go about the weekend planning their posts. So, just like right here, this is pretty much it. You will go ahead, choose a visual style right here, and then click generate, and then you should get some posts like this. And then you can see you have your hashtag here, you have your image there, and then you have your AI brand review here. So, um, what I would say was the biggest challenge was prompting for the better images and videos. That was very difficult to do. Took me a lot of um, um, tries to get that right to make it look decent. To me, based on the brand and stuff. Also finding out about how different platforms handle different content was also a big source of pain point for me, but doing a lot of research on that will help me understand the social media, how social media really works for people and how they could better promote themselves. And then what we're going to do next is go implement Buffer when their developer API is open again, as well as start implementing some social aspects, such as getting being able to directly link to social media websites, so we could get the user's actual voice and see how posts are doing on those platforms, so we could update the agent even further, so we could produce better content for the users.